Mabuhay, we are at Lala Anis Sizzling Food House. They offer a lot of sizzling foods and all of that is only rice. So, let's order. Lala Anis Sizzling Food House is located at Robinsons Mall, Valencia, and also they are open daily 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. The serving of food is fast and also the appearance of food is delicious and the smell is so good. So let's try in. The sizzling pork is so tasty and I like it. The quality of their product is good for their price. As long as 105 you can get one pork sisig or anything else and all of their product is only rice. I chose Lala Anis Sizzling Food House to promote because I'm fan of sizzling foods and I want to encourage you to try sizzling foods, and also because the product of Lala Anis Sizzling Food House is delicious and so tasty. Also, this chicken is so tasty and juicy. So I'm encouraging you to try Lala Anis Sizzling Food House at Robinson Mall, Valencia.